Yeah, I be getting old with it. I ain't kidding around, I ain't joking. This beat I'm provoking, and no, I'm never choking. My mouth now frozen. I'm just freestyling, I'm just recording. I'm ballin', having fun, and I keep doing what I'm doing. That's life. Make a sacrifice every night, get it on at night. I say yes, yeah. I show you my process, making some progress. I do it till none left. I keep on spitting it. I know that I'm with it. Hey yo, these women out here, I know I'm not kissing. Oh no, I'm not. All I wanna do is make my raps hot. Yeah, I make my beats hot. That's what I do, like as a producer. Yeah, rapper, producer, all day. Producer, rapper. The beat I attacker. The free the freestyle, muff. I know I'm an abuser. This is what I do best. All I had to do is just get it on my chest. Ay yo, ay, I ain't never messed up, but yeah, I back me up. I'm on the floor, just doing some push-ups. I'm in luck. No, I don't get butt. And no, I don't chase up. I be up in the stew more than a few. It's what I'm up to, it's what I do. On the beat when I'm rhyming, this is how I come through. Yeah, whatever you like it or not. Hey yo, this is what I get it. I ain't even with it. I'm not cussing. On them up, I record. Like, where's my award? I give myself a tour. I rap like a rap whore. Yeah, I be flowing on the beat. I don't be chillin'. I just be all like mixing and mastering. I be getting it in. I be telling my story, making like history. Not love, it's not meant to be. This rap is meant for me. On the beat, I flow like an MC. Hey yo, I know that I'm corny, I'm not gangster. I flow like me, like all day, all night. And no, I don't have no stage fright. I just wanna live my best life. Hey yo, no sacrifice. I came what I came to do. I work so hard, I smell like doo-doo. Hey, I watch Pikachu. It's me, how about you? I know what to do. I know how to do it with no excuse. Hey yo, I smell your perfume. What's the matter, boo?